Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: installed Reckon and a backed up company file. First, open Reckon and sign in with the admin credentials. This sets permissions and avoids later lockouts. Next, create or select a company profile and verify the fiscal year and tax settings. These control reports. Once done, connect your bank feed and import at least 1 to 3 months of transactions so reconciliations start clean. Make sure account mappings are correct before proceeding. You'll now process day-to-day entries. Begin by mapping the chart of accounts and confirming GST or VAT codes. Accurate mapping prevents misclassification. Enter or import invoices and bills, then match them during bank reconciliation. If a payment covers multiple invoices, split it accordingly. Create automation rules for recurring matches to save time. After posting transactions, run a trial balance and profit and loss to catch imbalances. These reports tell you whether your entries and reconciliations are aligned. Finish by closing the accounting period and locking transaction dates to prevent accidental edits. Then finalize tax filings and export a full backup for archives. Produce final financials, balance sheet, profit and loss, and cash flow, and reconcile bank and GST totals to those reports. If numbers don't match, don't panic. Run the audit trail to find recent changes, review user activity, and restore the last known good backup if necessary. This quick recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.